How do I cook frozen store-bought hash browns?
Hello food enthusiasts, welcome to a new cooking session. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of perfectly cooking frozen store-bought hash browns. They're a quick and convenient breakfast option that you can easily master at home.
What will you need?
Before we dive into the cooking process, let's gather all the necessary items. Ingredients: a package of your favorite frozen hash browns, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or any other preferred cooking oil, salt and pepper for seasoning kitchen tools, a large, non-stick skillet, a spatula.
How do you cook frozen hash browns?
Now that you've got everything ready, let's get cooking. 1. Heat the skillet. Place your skillet over medium-high heat and add your oil. Allow the oil to heat up for a few minutes. You'll know it's ready when it starts to shimmer slightly. 2. Add the hash browns. Once your oil is heated, add the frozen hash browns to the skillet. Try to spread them out in an even layer to ensure consistent cooking. 3. Cook the hash browns. Let the hash browns cook for about 7 to 8 minutes, or until they are golden brown on the bottom. Do not stir or flip them during this time. It's crucial to give them a chance to brown on one side before flipping. 4. Flip and cook. Using your spatula, flip the hash browns over. Then, let them cook for another 5 to 6 minutes, or until they're golden brown on the other side. 5. Season and serve. Once your hash browns are cooked on both sides, add salt and pepper to taste. Give them a final stir to distribute the seasonings evenly. Now, they're ready to serve.
Any additional tips?
While cooking frozen hash browns isn't difficult, here are a few tips that can help you achieve the best results. Make sure your skillet is hot before adding the hash browns. This helps to prevent sticking and promotes browning. Avoid stirring the hash browns too often. Letting them cook undisturbed will give you that crispy, golden exterior. Feel free to add any extra ingredients to your hash browns. Onions, peppers, and cheese can all make great additions. If you want your hash browns to be extra crispy, you can press them down with your spatula after flipping. And there you have it, folks. Perfectly cooked, crispy, and golden hash browns right from your own kitchen. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll enjoy your breakfast. Until next time, happy cooking!